It's a beautiful late afternoon, April 19th, 2020, and I was working on this little nub here, and as you can see, it's really not that far down, and some little cuties have started to come out. There's a little bucket full of things right there, and this was within 15 minutes of getting here. So I thought, well, let's see what else is in here. So it looks like it's pretty promising. It's like a dirt pocket. And, oh, what is that? Oh, baby. Check that one out. Holy cow. That is beautiful. Wow. That's a nice crystal right there. Woohoo. Huh. All right, well, I'm sure there's more in here. It's a matter of digging around. It seems to go back pretty far. What's that? Just rock. Whoa. What is that? Holy cow. Check that out. Oh my God, look at the size of that. Holy, wow. That's beautiful. It is just this enormous, beautiful skeletal crystal. Wow. Look at that. That's just beautiful. I am so excited about that. What the heck am I into here? I haven't found anything quite like that yet. Let's see if there's more in there. There's one. Okay, well, they just keep rolling out, so I'm going to put the camera down and keep digging. Wow, this is great. Look at that baby. 2 beautiful crystals within 15 minutes of arriving.